Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do basically English practice. So today I've chosen one topic which is as usual. I just read one book which is Limitless, and there is multiple things which I've learned from the books, and basically I didn't have any cue card. So today I choose to express myself that whatever I have read in that particular books, that is like I want to express that. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I talk about, there are multiple things which is most important nowadays, because there is lot of digital distraction we see in this particular era nowadays, and for that we need to basically have a solid focus, and for that you need to particularly know like why you are doing that. So these are all the things which I basically found out very helpful, such as eliminating the distraction, because if we are frequently checking our messages notifications, so we cannot able to focus more on. And so in that particular book there are a lot of case studies, such as like whosoever like achieve some sort of thing in life, so basically he's focus more on, so there is nothing such as excellent intelligence. So the major focus on concentration, like how good his concentration is. So after getting that concentration, that anybody can do in life whatever people have done that. So this is the first thing which I got to know, and the second one is like how we need to change our learning patterns, such as like in from the childhood we are able to we are learn by cramming things, but that is not important, and that is not useful for peoples who want to learn quickly. For them that is very difficult, right? So cramming all the things is not the thing which we can able to understand, basically memorize ourselves last long. So if we are like creating stories such as words which is related to your life, so you can basically easily understand that, and you can basically store your mind as much as you can, and whenever you see things, you can realize that situation has happened. So such as they basically focus more on images. So if we focus on images, such as we can describe whole images, visualize that, and we can easily elaborate it. But we do have a word, so which is very difficult for us to elaborate it. So I found it very interesting and very helpful for my videos as well, because I try to basically speak on the cue card, but I don't try to utilize my brain. So create words which is most important. And so if I try to see picture, and that in that particular picture whatever I want to basically speak just come up naturally, that is most important, right? From rest of the people's what I I can what they do is like cramming the words, which is very not good for anyone, because if there is some sort of other things, so what you're going to speak, so that is way more difficult. So yeah, I also did the cramming thing past 5 to 10 years back, but still not able to get the result. But nowadays I'm focusing on like visualizing and just try to learn by the stories making. So that is very helpful, and you can try it, because that is how you can learn some sort of thing in a longer span of time, which is very important for everyone's. And so yeah, on this video, that is it. Whatever I've learned, I have expressed in this video. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.